Let's learn the names of baby animals that live on a farm. A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby chicken is called a chick. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby goose is called a gosling. A baby pig is called a piglet. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby horse is called a foal. A baby donkey is called a colt or a foal. A baby crow is called a chick. A baby goat is called a kid. A baby robin is called a chick. A baby dog is called a puppy. A baby turkey is called a pullet. A baby alpaca is called a cria. A baby barn owl is called an owlet. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel and press the like button and see more videos.